Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2019 21 Montauk. It's the new design on it. As you can see, clearly the lines are a lot smoother, a lot sleeker on it. We've got the light gray hull. We've got the stainless steel insert on the rub rail. A little bit of teak touch on the platform on the back. And you got the new Mercury 200. The lines on it are absolutely gorgeous. It has more power. It's lighter weight, and the performance is absolutely noticeably better. So the new engines are doing everything we hoped they would do. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. Let's look at a couple of the features. We got the fold up or fold down seats on the back. So if you're going for a ride, you're up. If you're fishing, you got non-skid with rod holders here. You've got the live well with 4 rocket launches on the back for the rods. So we move to the helm, very comfortable helm seat. You've got the Raymarine touchscreen with the Fusion stereo on it. A little bit of teak accents here. And then as we move through, we've got a storage down below. It's plenty of room down below for you. As we move forward to the bow, you've got a double seat here with the cooler on it, so it gives 2 people plenty of room to sit. Nice sun pad up here. It's all non-skid underneath. It finishes out with the white powder coat T-top up there. Keep you out of the sun. Great for fishing. Boat's an all-around fantastic boat for especially down in our area here. It'll go inside, shallow waters, outside in the Gulf. Handle that no problem at all. So if you have any questions on it or would like to make an appointment to see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Call me at 603-213-1194.